starting fires, especially indoors. I can at least take some precautions. Start. Okay, just thought I'd do a quick little video for you today. Actually, for you guys it'll be especially quick once I've edited it down and sped up the footage. As you may know, I'm something of a outdoors enthusiast. I like camping, I like climbing, hiking, I like being outside. In fact, I've spent the last 2 weekends out. First at one of our regular wild camping sites in the woods, and the second time went to the Lake District to do some wild camping on the side of a, well, I suppose you could call it like a mountain valley. Pretty interesting, but that's not the topic of this video, at least not directly. One of the things about being outdoors is the ability to cook, and obviously keep warm, so where possible, it would be great to start a fire, but that is not always possible. There may not be firewood. A legal camping site anyway, you're probably not allowed to, in fact, of course, blah 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 blah, end of the world situation, who cares, whatever. I've been spending a lot of time watching and listening to prepper stuff, because although I may not be expecting an impending apocalypse or think I could realistically survive, those guys do tend to know their outdoor gear, like especially the ones who actually go out and train, so interesting stuff. Anyway, the point I was supposed to be getting at before I trailed off. Fire is good. Heat is good. You want to be able to cook. You want to be able to heat your water. So you may not be able to start a bonfire. You may not have the available wood. One of the things that a lot of campers use are these portable gas stoves, which is something I myself am quite into. Though, I recently got turned on to the idea of using alcohol fuel. I tried out one of the DIY projects to turn, like, basically a solar can into an alcohol burner, and it worked so good I kind of wanted to take the next step and thought I'd actually just purchase an alcohol burner, because as good as the cans are, they can be a bit flimsy and they do start to kind of disintegrate after a while. So I picked up this little Highlander methyl burner. Quite a cool official product. It comes with a screw top lid, a little attachment to regulate the flames, and with it being a screw top with a rubber seal, you can actually carry the fuel in it, which is nice, which is something I can't do with the other stoves, of course. So, yeah, I just figured I'd just do a really quick product test of this. So I filled it halfway full, as recommended, put a match to it, set up my old phone on the side, and just basically timed to see how long it will take the flame to burn. And honestly, it went quite well. There was a brief, like, 35-second period where the flame went out when I was trying to, well, basically test the regulator, but I ended up just putting it full on top and, like, just extinguishing the flame. But bar those 35 seconds, I think we can say this thing at half fuel has burned for about 40 minutes, which is more than enough time to do a lot of cooking. Like, it usually only takes a few minutes, obviously depending on the size of the pot, to boil at least a few cups of water. So yeah, I'm honestly kind of impressed with it. It's, you know, one of the things a lot of hikers, climbers, and campers in general look for is, like, lightweight alternatives, and though I probably will be taking my gas stove to a few different kind of events, I do like how light the alcohol stoves were, and they're just very compact as well. It's so easy just to... You could pretty much carry them in your pocket if you had to, with enough fuel to, like, last, again, at least 41 minutes, and this is just half full. I know the recommended amount is half full, but, you know, feasibly, if I was going away for a while, I'd probably fill it a bit over the top, so, you know, that would last even longer. Yeah, not too much to say. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, I just thought I'd do a little showcase, and yeah. Oh, by the way, the alcohol fuel I'm using is medical grade 99.9% isopropyll. You can get varying kinds of, you know, official alcohol fuel, but that stuff I always found burns just as well. I'm not just pouring vodka into the thing, but yeah, hope you liked this video, and obviously I've sped it up and cut it down a bit for time, because I honestly do not have enough to say for 41 minutes, but yeah, here you go.